Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 24 by 12 foot by 52-inch pool and Cartridges Type IV B 6-pack. Is a luxury above-ground pool that has all the fun of a personal pool without all the work and maintenance of an in-ground one. The steel frame sections lock together easily, while the heavy-duty PVC and polyester side walls keep your pool water and swimmers secure. This pool comes with a filter pump, 52-inch ladder, cover, ground cloth, maintenance kit, repair patch, and an instructional DVDs with information on setting up your pool and maintaining it. Product benefits. Extra strong side walls are made with 3 separate layers of material. The inner layer of polyester mesh is laminated to the 2 outer heavy-gauge PVC layers. Includes Type IV, Type B replacement cartridge for 2,500 gallons per hour filter pumps. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.